Hello viewers, I'm Sajidz and here in this video with you guys. This video I'm going to talking with you about how you can get a notification is he or she is in the online in the WhatsApp. In the Facebook version you will get this option that who are in the online or offline there by their chat options there. But here in the WhatsApp they have no any option that he is online or not. So here in this video guys I'm going to talking with you about how you can get notified that they are in the online. So without further delay I think I should start my this video. Before that here guys I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notifications, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. First of all, to do this there in your settings you need to install an app in your mobile phone, and here it is, the Unlock Plus. You will get it here in the online in the Google Play Store, and here in the Google Play Store go to there and search here in the Unlock here, and from here just install the Unlock Plus this app in your mobile, and after that just go to there and you need to open this Unlock there, and here I recommend that the people must have the WhatsApp there in their mobile phone installed, and he has to be must have to open his mobile phone with this WhatsApp. And here it is, this is the interface of your this Unlock app, and here you will get three options are there: name, surname, it is the country dialing code, this is the number, and these are you need to fill up there. The name here you need to add the name as you wish which you add there in the WhatsApp, and here it is. Now you need to click on the country dialing code there, which country code, this is the mobile code there, that means the SIM number code, mobile number code, and here it is I said the Bangladesh as I'm from Bangladesh, and the dialing also from the Bangladesh, and here you need to add the number of her there, and here it is I have add my this number there, and after that click on the start to follow this option there, and here it is, it's also done there, and from here you need to click on this the bell button there, and after that it will be notify you there, and here it is, it's really already coming there, and now I just go to in the another mobile by which I add my this there, and here it is, after only 2 or 1 minute that you will get this notification there she is in online, and by that you will get all the notification there who is in online if you add those number here in there, and by that you can do this in your WhatsApp by your mobile phone to set the specific number in the online so that you can see it there. So anyway guys, I think it's really helpful for you guys, and it's really more interesting for you guys, and if you guys like this video then there have a little bit request for you guys. Please click the thumbs up button there after watching this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel there, it is the must. So thanks for watching this video.